Hello and welcome to the online edition of Nightwatch for June 2024. My name is Bill, coming to you from the Sudekum Planetarium here at Adventure Science Center in Nashville. And as always, we will start with the moon phases for this month. We find the moon will be new on the 6th. First quarter moon on the 14th, full moon on the 21st, followed by last quarter on the 28th. Also this month, we do have the summer solstice occurring on June 20th at 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is the point at which the northern hemisphere is tilted more toward the sun as we orbit around the sun, and giving us our longer daytime period and our shorter nighttime period, and the official beginning of the summer season in the northern hemisphere. As we look at planets in the sky, Saturn is getting higher in the east-southeast before sunrise. The gibbous moon will be to the right of the planet Saturn on June 27th, rising at about 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The planet Mars is lower in the morning sky in the eastern part of the sky, rising after the planet Saturn and rising around 3 a.m., just before morning twilight. The thin crescent moon will be to the upper right of Mars on June 2nd and to the lower left of Mars on the 3rd. As for planets in the evening sky, we really have no planets to see in the sky after sunset. Also, beware of stories this month, especially early in the month, about a planet parade and a rare lineup of planets on June 3rd. Remember, only Mars and Saturn are actually visible in the early morning sky before sunrise, and they are both low near the horizon, with Saturn being a little bit higher and rising a little bit earlier. So where did this story come from? Well, who knows? But there will be a gathering of the other visible planets, but they will be near the sun in the daytime. As we see here, we'll go to June 3rd in the middle of the day, and now if we could magically make our atmosphere disappear so that there is no blue sky, we would see that lineup of planets along the daytime sky. Notice Venus and Jupiter are very, very close to the sun, and other planets that would normally be visible are also close to the glare of the sun. And notice that only Mars and Saturn are far enough away from the sun that they actually rise up before sunrise in a fairly dark sky. So you can't see any of these planets in this alignment or rare lineup of planets because it's happening in the daytime. As we look at the stars in the evening sky at around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, we find that the constellation Leo is now setting over in the western part of the sky. Look for the backwards question mark shaped group of stars that marks the head of Leo the Lion. Overhead, and marked by the bright orange colored star Arcturus, is the constellation Boötes. In light polluted areas like the cities, you probably will only see the star Arcturus. Many of the faint stars of Boötes will not be visible. And below Boötes is the constellation Virgo, the Maiden. But again, only the blue-white star Spica is probably going to be visible in the light polluted areas of the city. Rising over in the east and getting higher each night is the summer triangle, marked by the stars Vega, Deneb, and Altair, which are marked by the constellations Lyra the Harp, Cygnus the Swan, and Aquila the Eagle. And down toward the south, look for the bright red-orange glow of the star Antares, which marks the heart of the constellation Scorpius, the Scorpion. Antares actually means rival of Mars because so many people confuse that bright red star for the red planet. Now don't forget, you're invited to join us here at the Sudekum Planetarium for our planetarium shows during the month of June. Of course, as always, we have our regular theater version of Nightwatch about the nighttime sky. Also this month we present Incoming, which is about objects that can impact our planet, such as comets, meteors, and asteroids. And also check out our brand new show, Mars, the Ultimate Voyage. And while you're here at the Science Center, visit our brand new Wonders of the Universe exhibit on the second floor of Space Chase and see a full-scale model of the Mars Curiosity rover on display, as well as many new features in our new exhibit, once again, Wonders of the Universe. And don't forget, if you can't remember everything I've mentioned in this online edition of Nightwatch, you can grab a copy of our star chart online by visiting adventuresci.org/starcharts. And until next time, remember, Adventure Science Center's mission is to open every mind to the wonders of science and technology, fostering a better understanding of ourselves and the world around us. And until next time, we hope you can join us here at the Sudekum Planetarium and Adventure Science Center, and I thank you for watching our online edition of Nightwatch. Have clear skies.